In this tutorial, we'll learn how to customize the appearance of your Qlik sheets and visualizations using CSS. We'll change the sheet background, add borders and rounded corners to objects, and set a light blue background inside visualizations. Let's apply our custom styling. First, open your sheet in edit mode. Under Sheet Properties, click Styling and set Custom Styles to Activated. Now let's add CSS to modify the sheet background color. When done, the entire sheet now has a light gray background, giving it a cleaner look. Now let's add borders and rounded corners to objects. All visualizations now have dark borders with rounded corners, making each object stand out. Now, let's set a light blue background inside visualizations. Inside each visualization, the content area has a soft light blue background, providing better contrast for charts, tables, and KPIs. And that's it. You now know how to style your Qlik sheets and visualizations with CSS. Remember, use it carefully, combine with themes when possible, and keep your CSS minimal for maintainability. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.